in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Boston County and central Texas, western Hill County and central Texas until 7:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 9 miles north of Meridian, or 19 miles north of Clifton, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, tennis ball size hail and 65 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Hillsboro, Whitney, Itasca, Laguna Park, Bloom, Covington, Carl Corner, Aquila Lake Whitney State Park, Lake Whitney, Morgan, Retreat, Abbott, Cedar Shores, Lakewood Harbor, Aquila, Eulogy, Brazos Point, Osceola, and Woodbury. This includes the following highways. Interstate 35 between mile markers 360 and 369. Interstate 35W between mile markers 1 and 8. Interstate 35E between mile markers 371 and 374. A tornado watch warning. 6 to 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time for central and north central Texas.
Not bad at this.
For your prudence, get inside a spring structure and stay away from windows. The storm has a history of producing large hail.
I mean, it's not that large. It's only like 2.5 inches.
Stay away from